Bakit umiigot ang mundo? Dahil sa'yo, adik sa'yo. Ayoko na may masasaya. Sa gabing ito, sasabayan ko yung init mo. Magdala ko og regalo para nimo. Love ka ayaw, di ka wala kay mahimo. Ko'y kay ako, ay nilawas sa pwede lumiyak. Kasing-kasing na lang sa imo. Gusto kita, ay nagsige duda. Walay duha-duha, akong baby langga. Kailangan ko magtiis dito kahit ang hirap mag-live dito dahil ang daming bata. Baby, just come. Just come. Ano yung one? Ba't kayo nagwa-one? Thank you, Jessie. Won't deny you love it if we get together. Eh, ka muna eh. Ayan na sila. Ako'y lasing at kanina pa. Kala mo ba di ko napapansin na nakatidig ka sa'king mata? Ba't kung makatingin ka sa'kin parang may balak ka? Gusto mo bang tanungin? Anong title nung kanina? Alin? Yung Diyos ko? Huwag mo kong subukan, baby, I will take you home, yeah. Bago pa maubusan ang talo, uminom na tayo. Huwag ka nang magpapipo, sa'yo ano na ako. Kaya mo yun, huwag kang matakot. Pangakong di ka mapapagod. So, baby, dance with me tonight. Dance with me tonight. Dance with me tonight. Bakit? Sakit nun. Wait lang guys ha. Uy, pero ang ganda ah. Ganda ng sound. Set up lang ako. Titignan ko lang. Hello, ang gecko. Ang cute pag tinatawag niyo akong ko. Thank you, Chessie. Chessie ba cheesy? Chessie? Hello? Naririnig niyo ba ako, guys? Naririnig niyo ba with mic? Ha? With mic? Nope. Siyempre, hindi pa nakasaksak. Kayo talaga. Lagi niyo na lang ako niloloko. Yan. Wala pa rin. Wala pa rin, no? Ay. Thank you, Jessie. Meron? Meron pero mahina. Meron. Sobrang, hello. Hello. Sobrang lakas sa tenga ko. Weba, sobrang lakas-lakas na niya sa ano ko. Sa tenga ko. Ano ba to? Ba't grabe ang lakas?
Volume up. Oo nga, i-volume up nyo. Baka ano talaga. Alam nyo, ganito na lang tayo. Wag to. Nasaktan kayo? Ako din eh. At least, kasama niyo ako nasaktan. Kaya gusto ko tong hoodie na to eh. Ano? Ang laki ng hood niya. Maangas yung headphones. Lahat ng lahat ng maggaganon, hindi magkakaroon ng aginaldo sa Pasko. Kasya pati helmet. Totoo yan di. Kasya dito yung mga pagkain, mga popcorn. Okay. Meron mic? Okay po ba ang quality? Dahil kung hindi, kayo ang problema, not me. Kasi naririnig ko ang sarili ko. Kasya tayong dalawa, hindi. Hindi, huwag natin ipilit, magpaka masira. Diba? Kapag pinipilit mo ang bagay na hindi pwede ipilit, masisira. Ang bango mo, yes. Amoy ako PH Care. Anong kakantahin natin, guys? Yung echo, hindi siya masyadong okay. Totoo ba? Yan. Yan. Pwede na yan, alam nyo. Dapat lagi nyo isipin na, pwede na to. Huwag na kayong mag-alinlangan, B. Kasi may mga bagay na pwede naman eh. Pero hindi pwede. Hello? Hiling. Mamaya na yung hiling. Ang dami kong kakantahin na H dito eh. Hello? Goods po ba ang sound? Ano lang naman to? Try lang. Hello? Pilit natin iniwasan. Ano pang problema? Sabihin nyo lahat ng problema. Ngayon mismo, sabihin nyo lahat ha. Ulit. Okay, so ito ang good sa mga naka-headset. Mag-headset lahat kayo. Sa lahat ng mga nakahiga ngayon. Kung nakahiga ka man, sige, good. Nakalimutan ko to, no? Kung ano, wait lang, may problema ba ang boses ko? Deep ang voice ko ngayon. Ang nag-iisa pangangamba, dapat bang isipin? Hello? Asahan mo na kailan? Hello? Di kita masakit? Ba't ka nasasaktan? Pang in love to.
Kahit kailan ka'y mawala sa piling ko, di na alam kung kakayanin pa kayang umibig pang muli. Ano bang mangyayari, di ba? Sasamahan pa kita hanggang sa muli.
Di ko alam, hindi ko pa nakukuha yung genre ko. Wait lang guys ha, hindi ko pa nakukuha eh. Hindi ko pa siya nakukuha. Umurong luha ko, sorry na. Sorry, tinachanta ko pag ganito po talaga pagkakanta ko. Kailangan ko pa ng ilang song bago ko maayos yung boses ko. Tapos pag nakuha ko na, mag-end na ako.
Kapag naalala ko mga araw na magkasama tayong dalawa, ngiti at luha sa aking mga mata, ganun na pala tayo dati kasaya. Yung tipong kapag tayo nagkatitigan, magngingitian para bang nahihibang. Pag-iingay kahit sobrang tahimik na kapaligiran, kahit may nagre-reklamo na'y wala tayong pakialam. Panahong nandun ka pa, lagi pumupunta, di naasang may sorpresa ka laging dala. Ang saya-saya, ayoko lang pahalata, kasi okay na naman basta mag-alala. Kaso lang wala na, pero alam ko na masaya ka na. Sa mundo ko wala nang makakagawa, makakatumbas sa iyong napadama. Kaya salamat sa pag-ibig mo, ibig mo lagi kang nasa puso't isip ko. Isip ko at inaamin ko na nami-miss kita, na nami-miss kita. Sa akin ikaw pa rin ang bebe ko, ang bebe ko, kahit wala ka na sa piling ko. Piling ko pangakong ipagdarasal pa rin kita, ipagdarasal pa rin. Kasi di ko na matiis, love, dahan-dahan kitang nami-miss, love. Ilang beses man nilang aliwin, ikaw at ikaw pa rin ang gusto kong kinikiss, love. Di pumapayag pag di kita kasama, kung makayakap daig pa mag-asawa. Nakaalalay sa anumang bagay, mawala man ako sa sarili, lagi andyan ka. At kung mababalik ko lang, ayusin ko lahat sa loob ng 7 buwan. Maghihirap.
Wait lang, may nakita ako. May nakita akong comment. Ano? Ano yun? Wait lang, may nakita ako eh. Natawa lang ako. Halatang hindi pa daw move on. Diyos ko, kanta lang pa.
Alam ko naman kasalanan ko, o sinayang ko. Malabo ng pagbigyan mo, malabo ng pagbuksan mo. Kahit ano pang paghirapan ko, paano kung ayaw mo? Anong magagawa ko? Anong magagawa ko? Kaya salamat sa pag-ibig mo, ibig mo lagi kang nasa puso't isip ko. Isip ko at inaamin ko na nami-miss kita, na nami-miss kita. Sa akin ikaw pa rin ang bebe ko, ang bebe ko, kahit wala ka na sa piling ko. Piling ko pangakong ipagdarasal pa rin kita, ipagdarasal pa rin. Kaya salamat sa pag-ibig mo, ibig mo lagi kang nasa po.
Good job ka dyan, ha? Hanggang all the way, ha?
Nami-miss
pa rin ang baby ko. Ang baby ko, oh alam. Grabe. Gusto ko yung mga ano eh, sad song. Kasi alam mo parang, yeah. Gusto ko yung mga sad song. Ito, may ginawa po akong version dito. Ang All the Way Pakis. Ayan, may gusto na bumalik sa'yo, ang All the Way, oh. Ay, ito.
Hindi matigil ang bukso ng aking puso sa tuwing ako'y papalapit sa'yo. Maaari bang hingin ang iyong kamay? Huwagan mo't huwag mong bitawan. Hindi mapigil ang tibok ng aking puso sa tuwing ako'y nakatingin sa'yo. Maaari bang huwag kang humiwalay? Dahil sandali na lang darating din ang gabing walang pipigil sa atin. Kung hindi ngayon,
Atayo Irish. Love you. Lahat na mag-drop may I love you.
ang kahapon kahit sandali palayain ang pusong di mapigil.
Thank you yan. Love you.
Sa huling pagkakataon na ika'y maging
Thank you, Be Toxic. Love you. Thank you, Tawaga to. Thank you, I love you. Thank you, Kap. Love you. Pag may nag-drop ng ano Corgi
hindi matigil ang gulo sa aking isip at para bang walang kasing sakit. Alaala mo hindi ko malimutan, oras na nangangailangan. Kung darating din ang gabing walang pipigil sa atin. Kung hindi ngayon, aasa maibabalik ang kahapon kahit sandali. Palayain ang pusong di mapigil. Sana'y tayong dalawa sa huling pagkakataon.
Wait lang, nahihirapan ako sumigaw kasi natutulog kapatid ko.
Hindi na para sa atin. At sa bawat minuto ako yung nandito. Binigay ko ang lahat, ngunit hindi pa rin sapat. Ikaw ang nais kapiling hanggang sa huli. Pero kahit anong gawin, sa kanya ka pa rin babalik.
Alam, ganyan yung ano naman ito. Ito guys, ito. Broken kasi ako guys. Alam niyo yun. Broken kasi ako eh. Kaya nga kamiss yung duet nila. Sino?
Everybody's laughing in my mind. you did, what you did with me, that's in love. There with me, 'cause baby I did it. That should be me holding your hands. Wait lang.
Wait. Okay. Let's sing this one. Ano? Ano na naman? Anong sasabihin niyo? Katayin natin to. Mag-drop na naman kayo. Mag-drop naman kayo. Stone cold sober, I pulled you closer to my chest, and you asked me to stay over. I said I already told you. I think that you should get some rest. I knew I loved you then, but you never know, 'cause I played it cool when I was scared of letting go.
Just say you won't let go. I'll wake you up with some breakfast in bed. I'll bring you coffee with a kiss on your head. And I'll take the kids to school, wave them goodbye. And I'll thank my lucky stars for the night. When you look over your shoulder, for a minute I forget that I'm older. I wanna dance with you right now. Whoa, you look as beautiful as ever, and I swear that every day you get better. You make me feel this way somehow. I'm so in love with you. I hope you know, darling, your love is more than worth its weight in gold. We've come so far, my dear. Look how we've grown. I wanna stay with you until we're grown old. Just say you won't let go. Just say you won't let go. I wanna live with you, even when it goes. 'Cause you were always there for me when I needed you most. I'm gonna love you till my lungs give out. I promise that we part like in a vows. So I wrote this song for you. Nobody knows that it's just you and me until we're grown old. Just say you won't let go.
Dedicating this song to my singing.
A flower's not a flower until they bloom. Like my first time living life the day I met you. Hate to think that humans have to die someday. 1,000 years won't do. No wonder I fell in love, even though I'm scared to love. Baby, I know the pain is unbearable. Pinsan like ikinamada, binibining may Salamanca. You turn my limbics into a bouquet. Ikaw ay tila sining sa museyong di naluluma. Binibini kong ginto hanggang kaluluwa. Gonna keep all my life. At kung tingin mo na ang oras ay lumipas na, ako'y patuloy na mararahuyo sa ganda. I still kiss you every single day, all my life. If I could paint a perfect picture of the girl of my dreams with a curvy figure, voice of an angel like a symphony, no doubt she's a masterpiece. No matter the color, you're beautiful. You're one of a kind, like a miracle. Hindi ka papanaw hanggang huling araw. Maging kabilang buhay ka, ikaw. No wonder I fell in love, even though I'm scared to love. Baby, I know the pain is unbearable. Pinsan like ikinamada, o binibining may Salamanca. You turn my limbics into a bouquet. Ikaw ay tila sining sa museyong di naluluma. Binibini kong ginto hanggang kaluluwa. Gonna keep you like an ricochet all my life. At kung sabihin mo na ang oras ay lumipas na, patuloy na mararahuyo sa ganda. I still kiss you every single day, all my life.
sino po na sisig na squid from what table? Okay, we are in a bar, but we are Konya, okay, bros? Are you ready, mga pre? We are Konya, okay? So you gotta comment Konya. Falling out, falling in, nothing showing this world, no, no. Breaking out, breaking in, never knowing what lights ahead. We can really never tell it all. No, no, no. Say goodbye, say hello to a lover or a friend. Sometimes we never could understand why some things begin then just end. Guys, what's your pulutan? What's your pulutan in every table though? But oh, can't you see that no matter what happens, life goes on and on, and so baby, just smile, 'cause I'm always around you, and I make you see how beautiful life is for you and me. A little time, baby, see the butterfly colors, listen to the birds that we sing to symphony on you. Can you feel me? Okay, kanal naman tayo ngayon ha, kanal. Anong kinakain niyo din, ha? Gusto niyo ba ng pilpersen, ganon? Sisig dito, oh. Ay, tingnan niyo sila, natatatapunan na ng ulan yung sabaw nila. Pakiayos to. Natutulo yung yung ulan sa sabaw nila. Lasing na ba kayo? Bakit lasing na kayo? Bright light, fancy restaurant, everything in this world that a man could want. Got a bank account bigger than the law should allow. Still I'm lonely now. Pretty faces from the covers of the magazine, from the covers to my covers, wanna lay with me. Fame and fortune still can find, just a grown man running out of time. Even though it seems I have everything, I don't wanna be a lonely fool. All of the women, all the expensive cars, all of the money don't amount to you. I can make believe I have everything, but I can't pretend that I don't see that without you, girl, my life is incomplete. Without you, girl, listen. Your perfume, sexy lingerie, I remember it just like it wasn't yesterday. A Thursday, you told me you were falling in love. I wasn't sure that I was. It's been a year, winter, summer, spring and fall, but being without you just ain't living in nothing at all. If I could travel back in time, I relive the days you were mine. Even though it seems I have everything, I don't wanna be a lonely fool. Wait lang, may pinakanta sa akin yung friend ko. Ang ganda, na gustuhan ko kasi nakalimutan ko ano yung pinakanta niya na yon. Wait lang. Bagay ko daw yung kanta na yon. Sabi niya, nakalimutan ko yung title. Wait lang, hanapin ko lang. Sabi niya, bagay mo tong kanta na to pag-aralan mo. Ito ba yun? Hindi ko lang. Ito ata yun eh. Tatry ko lang. Nakalimutan ko na eh. Yung friend ko kasi magaling kumanta eh. Nagustuhan niya nung kinanta ko to. So, pero kasama ko... Ay, joke lang. But I don't wanna use you just to have. And I don't wanna hate you Tama ba? Hindi ko kasi nakalimutan ko na eh. To anyone anymore, but like a fool I keep losing my place, and I keep seeing you walk through that door. Then you'll be loving somebody too much, and it's still when you know with your heart you can't trust. There's a reason why people don't stay where they are. Baby, sometimes I just say, tama ba? Nakalimutan ko. Tama no? Wala. Sabi niya kasi kantahin, practicein ko daw to eh. So, wait lang. Nagkaroon tuloy ako ng assignment. Pakinggan ko lang siya ha, with lyrics ha. Hindi ko kasi alam yung ano eh. Ano po, sometimes love ain't enough. Pakinggan ko muna. Tingnan natin kung kakayanin ko siya ng... Kailan ba ito ni-release? Luma ba to?
I don't wanna lose you, but I don't wanna use you just to have somebody by my side.
Ano ba mga gusto niyang
And I
kantahan?
don't wanna hate you,
Ganda.
I
Ang
don't
lyrics.
wanna take you, but I don't wanna be the one to cry. And I don't really matter to anyone anymore. But like a fool I keep losing my place, and I keep seeing you walk through that door. But there's a danger in loving somebody too much, and it's sad when you know it's your heart you can't trust. There's a reason why people don't stay where they are. Baby, sometimes love just ain't enough.
There's a danger in loving somebody too much, and there's a reason Mahilig si friend mo sa old song. Yeah. Mahilig talaga siya sa old song, kaya hirap sabayan. Okay, let's try. Hello. Try natin. Pag mali yung tono, pagpasensyahan nyo na. I don't wanna lose you, but I don't wanna use you just by my side. And I don't wanna hate you, I don't wanna take you, but I don't want to be the one to cry. And mali yata to ah. Saan yung kinanta ko kanina? Napapano niyan to? Kanina ay kinakanta ko na wala yun. Ito, hanapin ko pa, oh. Ito na. Oh. I don't wanna lose you, but I don't wanna use you just to have somebody by my
like a fool, I keep losing my, and I keep seeing you walk through the door. But there's a danger in loving somebody too much, and it's sad when you know it's your heart you can't trust. There's a reason why people don't stay where they are. Baby, sometimes love just ain't enough.
Ganda, nagustuhan ko tuluyan. Parang gusto ko sa mga old songs.
No, I could never change you. I don't wanna blame you. Baby, you don't have to take all the fault.
Tama ba?
Yes, I may have hurt you, but I did not desert you. Maybe I just wanna have it all. Like it sounds like a thunder. It makes me feel like the rain, and like the fall, never see the truth. I keep thinking some things
Gotta change.
but there's a danger in loving somebody too much, and it's sad when you know it's your heart you can't trust. But there's a reason why people don't stay where they are. Baby, sometimes love just ain't enough. There's
Ang cute, ang cute. Meron pa siya eh. Meron pa isa eh. Puro oldies kasi kaya hindi ako familiar talaga. Pero ayun. When someone, pag kasi yung isang tao, sabi niya, pag sinabi na, hala, gusto ko tong boses mo dito, ulit-ulitin kong kakantahin yun. Like, hindi siya mawawala sa isip ko. Parang ganun, parang, pag-aaralan ko to, ganun. Ganun. Ganiron. Ganun ang gagawin ko nun. Thank you, Lane. Thank you so much. Pagpalain ka po. Sana.
There's a danger in loving somebody too much, and it's sad when you know it's your heart you can't trust.
Ay, wala na. Ito ba yun? Wala na ata. Isa pa to. Love is ain't enough and forever's not enough. Ano yun? What's the meaning of it?
If I would have to live my life again, I'd stay in love with you the way I've been. Your love is something no one ever can replace. I can't imagine life with someone else. I promise I will share my life with you. Forever may not be enough, it's true. My heart is filled with so much love I feel for you. No words can say how much I love you so. And if forever's not enough for me to love you, I'd spend another lifetime, baby, if you ask me to. There's nothing I won't do. Forever's not enough for me to love you so.
Tama, di ba? Tama naman siya, ba? They say tomorrow seems so far away, and now we see that everything can change. Yeah, my love for you gets stronger, and tomorrow comes. I know this love will stand the test of time. There's nothing I won't do. Forever's not enough for me to love you so. For you there's nothing I can do, and never will I ever go. Forever's not enough to love you so. But if forever ends one day, I promise you I'll stay to show you that my love will never end. And if forever's not enough for me to love you, I'll spend another lifetime, baby. If you ask me to, there's nothing I won't do. Forever's not enough for me to love. And if forever's not enough for me to love you, I'll spend another lifetime, baby. If you ask me to, there's nothing I won't do. Forever's not enough for me to love you so. Hoy, laban na laban ako doon. Pinagtatawanan niyo ako. Anong tahan na po? Bahala kayo. Sakit niyo sa abdo. Kinakantahan ko yun. There's a hero. If you look inside your heart, you don't have to be afraid of what you are. There's an answer if you reach into your soul, and the sorrow that you know will melt away. And there a hero comes along with the strength to carry on, and you cast your fear inside, and you know you can't survive. And when you feel like hope is gone, look inside your one, be strong, and you finally see the truth that a hero has in you. Mariah Carey's voice, okay. It's a long road when you face the world alone. Not rich you have to there for you to hold. You can find if you search within yourself, and then until now you're made. Ta-na-na. And there a hero comes along who tend to carry on. Yes, and you catch your fear inside. Yes, to. Yes, tama yan. I hope is gone. Look inside. And you finally see the truth. That a hero found in you. Ooh. to? Ano to? I know this song.
I never dream, 'cause I thought that dreaming was for kids, just a childish thing. And I could swear love was just a game that children play, and no more than a game. Till I met you, I never knew what love was. This feeling seems to grow more every day. I love you more each day. I believe in every word that you say.
Kenji, ano ba? Ano?
Now I can swear.
Itigil na natin to kasi nagiging totoo na.
Play. So tell me that you stay.
Totoong ano?
Till I met you.
Totoong nagugustuhan na kita.
I knew what love was. Till I met you.
Bakit? Ako ba hindi?
This feeling seems to grow more every day. I love you more.
Kapalit-palit ba ako? Pangit ba ako? That's just one mistake. Kaya isa, dalawa o tatlo, pareho lang yun. Sumususo ko pa rin pa iba.
You and I should be together. Can't you see? Can't you see?
Pagod na pagod na pagod na ako.
Till I met you, I found.
Ano ba kasi? Hindi ka muna papasok ng school. Hindi ka dragon. You don't know the liar is my pick.
Till I met you, I never knew what love was. Till I met you.
Ang pera natin hindi mauubos. Pero ang pasensya ko, ubos na.
Each day.
Hindi ko kasi yung alam yung regregor na yun. Nandiyan pa ba si Amy? Oh my gosh, nakakahiya! Kanina pa. Oh my gosh. Lasing lang kasi ako. Andiyan ba siya? Andito ba siya? Wala na siya. Dito ba? Hindi niyo sinabi, Gagi. Anong mic gamit mo? Yung microphone ng... Shh. Wala na. Anong brand? Mauno. Mauno. Mike. Mauno. 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 Ma. Ma. Pla. Ha. Ho. Mauno. Ha. Thai. Said. No, not lady boy. No. Mauno. Para kang si Kong Kong. Taylor's all this time. True as he can be. Barely even friends. There's somebody bent unexpectedly. Just a little change, small to say the least, bold a little scared, made the one prepared, Beauty and the Beast, ever just the same, ever a surprise. This can be the friends. This is my princess. This is my prince, okay? I can show you the world, shining, shimmering, splendid. Tell me, princess, now when did you last let your heart decide? I can open your eyes, take you wonder by wonder, over sideways and under, on a magic carpet ride, a whole new world, a new fantastic point of view. No one to tell us no, or where to go, who say we're only dreaming. A whole new world, a dazzling place I never knew. But when I'm way up here, it's crystal clear that now I'm in a whole new world. Now I'm in a whole new world. Unbelievable sight, indescribable feeling, soaring tumblings, freewheeling through one endless diamond sky. A whole new world. Pangit siya eh. Dapat yung may totoong ono niya. Ito. To. Okay, kaya ko to. Okay, can I just say crazy? All my life has been a series of doors in my face, and then suddenly I bump into you. I was thinking the same thing, like I've been searching my whole life to find my own place, and maybe it's the party talking or the chocolate fondue, but with you I see your face, and there's nothing like I've ever known before. Love is an open door. Love is an open door.
Love is an open door with you, with you, with you, with you. Love is an open door. I mean, it's crazy what we finish each other's sandwiches. That's what I was gonna say. I never met someone who thinks so much like me. Jinx, jinx again. I'm meant to seek recognition. Can't help but one explanation. You and I were just meant to be. Say goodbye to the pain of the past. We don't have to fit it anymore. Love is an open door. Love is an open door. Love is an open. With you, with you, with you, with you. Love is an open door. Can I just say something crazy? Will you marry me? Can I just say something even crazier? Yes! Oh my god! It's Coronation Day! Sheesh! The window is open, so that door, I didn't know they did that. Knowing all for years I round this empty house, by a room with no balls. Finally they open up the gate. They'll actually real life people. I'd be totally strange, but why am I so ready for this change? Cause for the first time in forever, there'll be music, there'll be light. For the first time in forever, I'll be dancing through the night. Don't know if I'm a little gassy, but it's somewhere in the sun. Cause for the first time in forever, I won't be alone. I can't wait to meet everyone. What if I met the one? Tonight imagine you gown and all, but you drop against the wall. The picture's suffocated. I suddenly see him standing there, beautiful stranger, tall and fair. One is rubbed like chocolate in my face. But we'll laugh and we talk till evening, which is totally bizarre. Nothing like this life that led so far. For the first time in forever, there'll be magic, there'll be love. For the first time in forever, I could be noticed by someone. I know it's totally crazy to dream under fire romance, but for the first time in forever, at least I've got a chance. Don't let them in, don't let them see. Be a good girl, always have to be. Conceal, don't feel. Put on a show. Make one wrong move and everybody will know. But if only for today, it's only for today. It's agony to wait, it's agony to wait. Tell the gods to open up the gate, the gate. For the first time in forever, we let them in and sit and see, dreaming of it. Be a good girl, you always have to be. A chance to change my lonely. Consider a chance to find true love. Conceal, don't feel, don't let them know. I know it's the end tomorrow, so it has to be today. Cause for the first time in forever, first time in forever, I conceal, don't feel nothing. Nothing's in my way.
B, para akong tanga. Ang hirap ng B. B. Grabe yun. Para akong sumakit ulo ko doon. Anong laro? That's why, hindi ko naman nilaro eh. That's serious eh. Look at me, I'm in every place for a perfect bride or a perfect daughter. I can be, I'm not meant to play this part. Now I see that if I were true to be myself, I would break my father's heart. Thank you, Brain. Who is that girl I see staring straight back at me? Why is my reflection someone I don't know? Thank you, Rain. Somehow I cannot hide who I am, though I've tried. When will my reflection show who I am inside? When will my reflection show who I am inside? Yun na yun. Diyos ko naman. Gandang-ganda pa ako sa kanta. Yun lang pala. We were only sing Destiny, okay? I'm a Destiny princess eh. Maybe he's right. Maybe there's something the matter with me. I just don't see how a world that makes such a wonderful thing could be. Wouldn't you think my collection's complete? Wouldn't you think I'm a girl, the girl who has everything? Hi. Hindi, ano lang, kausap ko lang yung yung sa Mega World kasi kailangan ko magbayad ng condo. Turn around, tell me one last touch that made everything feel bad. Look at this stuff, treasures untold. Wouldn't you wonder and wonder go anymore? Wouldn't you think I'm a girl, the girl who has everything? Never too much, it's only one. I was forever standing when you were young. I was almost there. Where? In that edge. And maybe there's like people, and it's always humor shown.
Covers PH.
Like a small boat on the ocean, setting big waves into motion. Like how a single word can make a heart open. I'm not only a fun match, but I can make an explosion. And all those things I didn't say, wrecking bar inside my brain. I was screaming loud. I used to bite my tongue and hold my breath, scared to rock the boat and make a mess. So I said quietly, agree politely. I guess that I forgot I had a choice. I let you push me past the breaking point. I stood for nothing, so I fell for everything. You held me down, but I got up, already brushing off the dust. You hear my voice, you hear the sound. You held me down, but I got up. I see it all, I see it now. I got the eye of the tiger, the fighter, dancing through the fire. 'Cause I am a champion, and you're gonna hear me roar louder, louder than a lion. 'Cause
I'm not awake, and no one's good to me. That everything you see, and I was crashing from the high. I'm letting go tonight. Yeah, I'm falling from the night. I'm wide awake, not losing any sleep. I pick up every piece and let it all off it. I'm wide awake, I need to listen to myself. No, I'm wide awake, yeah, I am born again. Out of the lion's den, I don't know to pretend. I'm not awake, the story's over now, the end. I wish I knew them, would've known now. Would've dive in, would've bowed down. Gravity hurt, you made it so sweet. Till I woke up on the concrete. Falling from the night, crashing from the high. I'm letting go tonight. Yeah. Don't the water go to trees? Don't the moon pull the tide? Don't the stars like the sky? Like I need you in my life. If you need me anytime, you know I'm always right by your side. See, I never felt this love. You're the only thing that's on my mind. You don't understand how much you really mean to me. I need you in my life, you're my necessity, yeah. Believe me, you're everything that my mind can please. And I love it's clear, the only thing that I am. You're all I ever need. Baby, you're amazing. You're my angel, come and save me. You're all I ever need. Baby, you're amazing.
We saw you sa HAU ate, kaso di mo as pinansin. Di po ako pumunta ng HAU, hindi pa. Simula nag-graduate ako, hindi pa ako pumunta HAU. Nakita kita dito sa Bicol nung unang love
That we met, girl. I never had anyone make me feel this way. And my heart is always sure what's what there is in me. No, yeah.
Jejemon, ira mo yun. Ulitin natin dahil ako din Jejemon pa ako dito. Ano nangyari sa buhok ko?
Yeah. Ano ba yun? I never had anyone make me feel this way. And my heart is sure it wants to be with you. Wanna give you the whole world. If you make the promise to me, you're gonna stay. Without you guiding me, I'm lost and so confused. What would it take to show you I'll be by your side? 'Cause you know me. Matatamis na yakap at halik sa tuwing ika'y kasama ko. Di na ba mababalik ang unang daan? Kailan ba na muli ikaw ay naagan? At bakit ba kailangan at bumitaw sa sa totoo lang hirap na kong isipin kung paano ka bumalik sa'king muli. Pagod na rin akong pilitin limutin ang pagkasawi. Wala ba talagang katapusan ng masaktan? Ang mga yakap ka ay wala lang ganito. Kung may isang hiling at mapagbibigyan, ang tanging nais ko ay ang muli kong magtanging larawan mo na lamang ba ang tanging hawak-hawak ko. At kahit anong gawin, limutin ka, hindi malis sa isip ko. Tanging larawan mo na lamang ba ang tanging awak-awak ko. At sa pagdating ng tamang oras ay muling mararanasan ko na mahawakan mo. Hindi kong makausap. Sa totoo lang, hirap na akong isipin kung paano ka bumalik sa'king muli. Pagod na rin akong pilitin limutin ang pagkasawi. Wala ba talagang katapusan ng masakan? Ang mayakap ka'y walang gadinandan. Kung may isang hiling at mapagbibigyan, ang tanging nais ko ay ang muli kang magtanging larawan mo na lamang ba ang tanging hawak-hawak ko. At kahit anong gawin, limutin ka, hindi maalis sa isip ko. Tanging larawan mo na lamang ba ang tanging hawak-hawak ko. At sa pagdating na mahawakan mo, tanging larawan, parang walang mangyari. Ano bang nangyari? ay lambing, ngunit ang puso ko'y nalilito pa rin. Hindi ko mapaliwanag ang nararamdaman sapagkat ako'y bata pa. Pero ngayon, di na tulad noon. At sana naman pwede pa nating maibalik ang dati-dating alaala natin. Dati-dating tatarat-tarati, dati-dating alaala natin nung tayo'y dadalhan. Dati-dating alaala natin, dati-dating tatarat-tarati, dati-dating hati-rati, sabay pa nating pinangarap ang lahat. Umaawit pa sa hangin, amoy araw ang balat. Naalala ko pa noon, nag-aagawan ng Nintendo. Kay sarap namang mabalikan ang ating kwento. Lagi-lagi ka sa amin, tumidiretso pag-uwi. Lalaro ng tao-tao, piso-pisong nabili. Umaawit ng theme song, sabay kinabisan. Kay sarap namang mabalikan ang alaala. Ikaw ang kasama buhat noon, ikaw ang pangarap hanggang ngayon. Di ba't ikaw nga yung reyna at akong yung hari? Ako yung prinsesang sagip mo palagi. Ngunit ngayon'y marami nang nabagong nangyari. Ngunit di magtingin, nagaya pa rin ang dadaratat dati, dadaratat dati, dadaratat dati, nagaya pa rin ang...
Last song ko na to. Last song ko na to, pero ito yung gusto kong kantahin. So, alam niyo naman, inaaral ko siya. So, yeah.
I don't wanna lose you, I don't wanna use you, just to have somebody by my side. I don't wanna hate you, I don't wanna take you, I don't wanna be the one to cry. It doesn't really matter to anyone anymore.
Nakalimutan ko agad.
But like a fool, keep losing my pace, and I keep seeing you walk through the door. But there's a danger with loving somebody too much, and it's sad when you know it's your heart you can't trust.
Lobat, sakto, pinapain na talaga ako. Okay guys, maraming salamat. Thank you sa lahat ng mga nag-drop, sa mga nakinig at sa mga nag-stay. Love you all so much. I'll see you soon. Di ko alam when. So, abangan nyo lang ang mga kailangan nyong abangan. You know what I'm saying? Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Love you all.